Are you sick of boring everyday meats?
Head over to the Jackson Hole Buffalo Meat Company website and treat yourself to the beginner butcher box and get a little adventurous, just like I did. It's shipped to your door, packed with dry ice to keep everything fresh. Inside, you'll find a simple guide with all the info you're going to need. First up, we've got 1 pound of buffalo burger patties. These look beautiful. Next in line, we've got the 8-ounce buffalo sirloin steak. This would be perfect grilled over some charcoal. And here we've got a pound of buffalo bratwurst. I can just imagine these on a nice bun with some mustard. And my favorite cut, the 8-ounce buffalo New York. This is a classic. They even include a meat thermometer, so you can't mess it up. I couldn't wait, so I grabbed the New York strip, seasoned it up with some salt and pepper, and threw it on a searing hot grill. Is it possible to have a better looking steak than that? I don't think so. I pulled it at about 110 and let it rest. And man, look at that thing. Buffalo's meant to be eaten rare or medium rare. Luckily, I like my meat mooing. Cheers. It has a very rich and beefy flavor, but it's not gamey. If you're looking for something delicious and a little bit out of the ordinary, hit up Jackson Hole Buffalo Meat Company and try their Buffalo Beginner Box. I think you're gonna like it.